everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a shop with me at Dollar General. Come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Did you know that clicking the like button and for watching a video, even sharing the video, this helps me to grow. And commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll see you at the end. as you can see, all of the fairy garden stuff is out. All of the summer potting stuff and soil and all that stuff is out. A lot of these things can be used in tier trays, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.